So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what market is going to be doing for us for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So let's see what Swiss franc JPY is going to be doing for us for the day. So first thing first, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. Remember, you need to know your trend, then you need to trade with the trend, right? So that is the first rule. So what can we say the trend is on our Swiss franc JPY? Now, on this trend, we have the main trend, which is the overall trend. Then we have the current trend. So since we want to be predicting what market will be doing for the day, we are going to make use of the current trend. So what is the current trend, guys? The current trend is on a ranging market move. So at first, market was able to rally up to tap this resistance, right? Then once we got to the resistance, it rejected and jumped to tap our support. Market eventually rallied up to come to tap our resistance. Guess what market did? It rejected from the resistance and jumped to tap our support, right? Market eventually rejected from the support and came back to tap our resistance. Now market has now gotten to the resistance and it is now rejected from the resistance. It is dropping. So we should expect it to drop further till it is able to tap our support level. So this is to tell you that a further movement to the downside is what we should be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. So we should be expecting Swiss franc JPY to drop further till it is able to come to tap our support level. That is in the long run. So if you would like to hold your position for a couple of weeks, going for the sell and hold your sell position. So this is for swing traders. Our long-term movement is sell to the downside that will tap our support level. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So if you do not miss out on any updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any single updates. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.